What's up and welcome back, it's GFT's channel. Today I'm unboxing and first look the LED projector. Main highlight, this projector price is 3500 rupees and US price it's $50 only. Link in description, you want to buy. Let's look the box. On the box top side is the LED protector name, as the branding name it's mentioned. On the box right side is the main specifications is highlighted. It's LCD printer and it's a HD resolution up to support video on full HD resolutions. It's not high, but it's the overall it's okay. Okay, let's open the box first. Yeah, the inside of the box front side is one bag here. Yeah, it's quality bag, and then one more mini box here inside the box. Okay, first time look the mini box and what the contents here. Yeah, the mini box inside one remote controller here. It's projector remote and more HDMI to HDMI cable, then AV to TV. It's a support the old TV. Let's overview the projector. First, the weight. This projector net weight is 2.5 kg, but handling is no bulky and no heavy. It's looking very similar and lightweight. And its voltage, it's a power voltage support 100 to 240 watts, and it's perfect support to Indian power supply. Let's look the projector front side. The front side is a LED lens here and two adjustable levers here. One is top to bottom adjustment, other one is focus adjustment. Top side is menu and volume up, down, OK, and HDMI to AV changing button, and the back otherwise last on off button. And the back side IR plus out, HDMI, USB 2 and USB 2, headphone and AV and VGA, power, and the finally its speaker. Yes guys, this projector inbuilt speaker here. On the right side it's a hot air outing fan. See guys, my Android box is loading. Wow guys, it's my huge experience. It's really amazing. Its quality is really good. Yeah, I'm just play one video. Okay, this minute. Okay, this is my Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro hands-on video. I'm play the full screen. Guys, I'm just so is small size because my room is not big, but it's really good. And this is the back button, this is the HDMI to AV and pen drive, and you want to change. See, I'm show once again. Yeah, it's the HDMI to AV and VGA and media. It support the pen drive. Yeah, okay, I'm just test out the sound. Also this projector inbuilt the speaker here. Just I'm try the sound test.